green pillow, you're right. What are you doing, silly Billy? Close call. That was a close call to missing the pillow.
What are you doing, Caden?
Does that hurt or are you okay?
Are you okay?
Are you okay?
He's giving up answer.
Yeah, oh, that was my leg.
Oh, that was a little bonk, wasn't it? You had a bonk. You nearly had a bonk there too. Classic.